Okay, one of the main skills that you need in order to work on a construction project is the ability to read and interpret drawings. Okay, so these are some of my drawings. Basically, these are the breakout of each of the room. So this is a Queen Studio D. So I have the floor plan here, which basically gives me the layout, or this is the floor plan, and then this is the demo. So this is how we knew when we went into every room. This is how we knew what we were going to demo, and then this is how we know what we're going to put back. And then there's the same thing for the ceiling. So this is the ceiling plan demo notes, and then this is the ceiling plan for how it's going to go back, and then this is just a blow up of the bathroom. And if you see there that little indication where it says A4 da 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 da, that will also take you to another bigger blow up of the bathroom. So, and then these are all of the notes. So reading and interpreting this, and I've written my own notes right here. So in all of these rooms are going to have the Queen Studio D plan. And then these are what are called architectural drawings. You can see mine are a little beat up, but this is each floor. So this is the third floor. I get off the elevators right here. I turn to my left, and I always start at room 1. Room 1 is gonna be a King Studio C. Room 2, this is a conjoining room, as you can see. That's the conjoining. Room 302 is also going to be a King Studio C across the hall. 303, that turns into a queen. You can see the 2 beds, so on and so forth. On the majority of the floors, there are 11 rooms, and that 11th room is a suite. So you will walk in, there will be like a little living room, a couch there, and then you walk through here, and then that's your bedroom and your bathroom right there. So there are architectural drawings, there are demo drawings, there are interior or ID drawings, there are electrical drawings, pretty much so for every trade, and also for finishes, there's a drawing. And this is basically our Bible as to what we're removing and what we're putting back, all the way from the structure to the finish. Now, I had some experience with construction drawings before I started this project, but to be honest, I spent like the first month, so in December, before we actually got to the hotel, I spent that first month literally studying the drawings, trying to get familiar, and then I started coming to the actual hotel and, oh, this is this, oh, this is that. So there are, I'm sure, some classes at the community college or something like that that you could take, books that you could read, but the best way to learn how to read drawings is to get drawings and go to the actual building and, sort of put everything together there.